Alright guys, today is November the 25th. I am out here in the Houston, Georgia area. These floors were fully sanded by my partner, one of my network partners, Reginald Williams with Floor Makeovers. Him and his crew came out here and sanded this floor, put this beautiful espresso stain on the floor. This was probably a 4-day process, and they went with the last coat, which was the RadCoat, and I'm UV curing. This floor was originally tried to screen and recoat it, and there was a oil-based finish on this floor that we could not get off, which is my company, Truman. So we had to get this floor sanded, and they came in, I think, starting last Friday, and they worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today. And now this floor is immaculate, and they went with the we went with the satin RadCoat, and I'm following up with the UV cure system. Then the movers are actually heading back here now to get the furniture moved back on this floor, and beautiful job. So I just want to give a shout out to again Reginald Williams with Floor Makeovers, him and his crew sanding this floor, getting the RadCoat put down, and I am UV curing the floor. Alright guys, actually I have a UV cure screen and recoat tomorrow, engineered floor, and another screen and recoat with no UV cure tomorrow as well. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. My night is done, and I still gotta go do a conference call with one of my colleagues. But man, this floor looks amazing. Furniture's going back already. UV cured. Alright guys, shout out to Floor Makeovers, Reginald Williams, his crew, coming in, sanding this floor. Got the, I think they said this is a Jacoby. Mario, they said this is a Jacoby stain? What? Espresso. With this beautiful espresso stain. Alright, you guys know those guys right there. That's Christian and Ja. Oh, this floor is beautiful. Beautiful floor. Hey, how did Miss Vickery go? Y'all did Miss Vickery, was it Saturday morning y'all went back?
Yes.
Yeah, Saturday morning. The one in Snellville.
Yeah.
Because I did the job Friday. She said she just waited for the next morning.
Yeah.
Yep, cool. All right. All right, guys. So those are the guys that I recommend to move the furniture. And I'm going to say about 90% of my clients hire them to move the furniture.
No,